Okay, another marriage tip. When your spouse comes home from work for the first 2 hours or whatever, give them whatever they want within reason. Be nice. Be friendly. Everybody wants to come home to a smiling face, a friendly energy, welcoming. They've been out all day fighting the world, fighting traffic, making money to support you and love you. And the worst thing, nobody wants to come into a house where the first thing is, you didn't do this, you didn't do that, I'm mad at this, I'm mad at that, I'm frustrated with this person or that person. They just want to come into a serene, comforting, loving, welcoming home. So do that. Do that. And air your concerns a little bit later. But at least give them a couple of hours of peace. If they don't want to talk when they get home, then don't talk. Talk later. If they want to talk to you and unload their day, just sit down and just listen. Just love them, because it's hard. And let's be nice to each other as much as we can.